G'day guys, it's Ben again, here to bring you another video, and this is going to look at another piece of archery safety gear, and it's a hand wrap basically. And I'm going to leave the link in the description on where you can get these from. We don't know if these are historically accurate, but there's no reason to say that they wouldn't be. And what it does is you wrap it over your hand and then thread it back through. So this is just a very simple, roughly about a half or maybe at most 1 millimeter thick piece of leather. So when I'm shooting my bow, you'll find that the fletching, so this is goose fletching, and you'll find that as it rubs against your hand, it's going to abrade the skin. And as it abrades the skin, you know, 10 arrows, 20 arrows, whatever it might be, it's going to start to cut into your skin, and that can be really frustrating, so especially if you're not used to it. So the option to that is going to be scars, really, if you're actually doing, you know, hours and hours worth of archery. So what I find is this is a really good piece of kit to help protect my hand. So when loosed, the goose fletching is simply going to rub on that piece of leather, and it's going to help save my hand. So for like 10 bucks, whatever it was when it cost me, you know, this is a pretty reasonable investment, and it's going to help me keep going with my archery. Well, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. We'll be building this channel approximately 1 or 2 videos every day, so hopefully achieving as many as 10 videos a week that we'll be publishing up on YouTube. We will soon be covering all types of topics across the whole medieval period, from weapons to religion to culture to dress. We're going to look at different societies and cultures and what made them succeed whilst others failed. I'm looking forward to your comments and suggestions. Please leave a comment below, or you can message me direct through YouTube. Please feel free to share this video on your favourite social media platform, whether that be Twitter, Facebook or Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe, as it helps us to build our channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.